and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I've got an unboxing for you today from Fansells. So you may be able to see that I've got 3 in packages for this unboxing and 1 that's not. We did have a bit of a drill party in the packaging, so I had to do a bit of clean up before I could do this unboxing. So we're going to start with the drill one, the one that had, should we call it, a moment. Now this one, I'm actually very excited for this one because I like the fact that it's a little bit different. So this one is actually 115 by 25. Now you may not be able to see the image, hopefully you will be able to when I unravel it, but it's 20 colours and it does have the DMC numbers on the chart, but it is long and skinny. Now I don't think I'm actually going to be able to get it all in camera shot, and my camera actually does go further back than it did before, but I will pop a link so that you can see the full image. But I like the fact that this, as I say, was just a little bit different. I might see if I can find somewhere for this in my craft room. I'm not too sure if I will be able to. I don't think I've got a wall that I've left free, but I do really like the idea of it. It is a round, and as I say, it does have 20 colours. Now, while it says it's 25 by 115, as we know with poured glue canvases, quite often that is the full canvas size, which it is. So the actual drill area on this one is nearer 20, and then the full length, so 20, and then I expect it to be roughly 105 or 110. So you take off 5 centimetres, so it's actually 20 by 110 is the actual size. But to show you what you get in this kit, so you actually get 2 kits in this one. Standard kit, pen, bow and wax. And then we have the diamond. So this is the culprit bag, which was number 19, which was 3750. So it's good that we've got a DMC number in case there are more lost than thought. And there was another bag of exactly the same colour that was a little bit borderline. I couldn't quite tell if it had got nicked. Basically, it seemed to have got nicked with a pair of scissors or a knife when packing or something, and it just exploded. So I've sealed them all together in a bag, but I think there is even more of it in here, if I remember rightly. Or maybe not. 19? Where are we up to? 19? Oh no, I think I maybe have got them all in those bags. But to show you the colours anyway, so of course there's a lot of blues. There is some black, I think. Is that 310? It is the 310. So we've got 3 bags of 310. We've got some greys and some more blues and more greys. Then we have got little pops of colour like lime green. And then we have got some further greens mixed in with, of course, some more blues. Greens and blues. This one did work out, just so you know, at $8.99. And then we have more blues again. And different shades of blue, which I like it when they do different shades, and different shades of green. So for the purposes of this one, I'll not be putting it back in its package. So let me just grab a smaller bag. So this is what I tend to keep them in otherwise. These are A5 sort of zip up bags. You can get them on Amazon or in many stationery shops now. You can pick these up. That isn't where I got these from. I got them with scrapbooking kits, but people ask me all the time where I get these from. So upon looking and spotting, in the UK you can sometimes find them in Home Bargains, but Amazon do them as well. So I'll put all them together and I will label it up with my standard labelling system later. and just for those that are interested, so I use this little case, but my daughter made some labels, so it tells me the name, the shop, the size, and then I tick whether it's round, square or special shapes, and I put one on the canvas and one on the diamonds, but that's a job for later. So that was number one, and then the others are fully sealed, so it's surprise time for all of us now, while I determine what are actually in them. And hopefully we don't have another Drummageddon. Okay, so this one is a mandala. So this is a purple mandala. It's down as a 30 by 30, 15 colours, and it does have DMC numbers. And this one is one of their $2.99 paintings, which I think are a bargain. So the actual painting size is just over 24.5 by about 25. So that's the sizing of that one. Again, this is a round. We get a standard toolkit, and then if I can get in, we can have a look at the colours. We've got a few, oh, we've got pretty purples, but then a pop of yellow. We've got some browns and of course some more purples, into blue, pop of pink, another pop of pink, some more purples, an orange, purples, and then what looks like a black. Yes, there's still 310 in this one too. So that is very nice colours. I'm sure that one will be exciting to do. I reckon that will turn out really nice. And of course I folded those drills up smaller than they needed to be, but hey ho. So that's of that one, to find space to move them out the way. And the next one, this one again is a bigger one. Let's have a look what we've got, because I forget. Oh look, there's one of the road diamonds that was floating about in the package. I thought I'd got them all, but obviously they're little tinkers. So, did I pick this one? I know there's a few that I picked, and there's a few that I did say to them if there was any that they wanted to just send me because they were new, then they could do. Like I wasn't fussy if they wanted to showcase something. I don't remember ordering this one, so I don't know if I can tell you the price of this one, but I will find it and put a link, so you can always click on that link and find out how much it is. But this one, well, this one is a 60 by 40. Oh, and this is a double. Oh, maybe I did actually. Let me click on that one. I did pick this one. I was thinking little girl's room. I was thinking this would be very pretty to do and possibly frame up as a gift for somebody. So it's down as a 60 by 40, however it's actually two separate images. I thought these would look nice in a nursery. So these are $7.99 for the two. Now they don't have the DMC numbers on the canvas, but they do have them on the diamonds. So we're going well with the DMC numbers so far. Each individual painting is about 24 by just over 34 is the image size. Though I do reckon if you got a frame slightly smaller, if you could find one, you have enough outline to get away with that. But aren't they pretty? I just thought they were so cute. So we get two toolkits for two paintings, standard ones, but these ones come with baggies, and this is why I think there's different manufacturers of them, because they're all designed slightly different. And for this one So look, we have lots of girly colours. So we have purples and pinks. I mean, they can be for a boy as well, but lots of different shades of pink. Are they both different? No, they both use the same colours and the same chart, so you could kit them both up at the same time. We've got a lot of 818. There is a lot of that colour. And then there is a lot of, oh no, that's still 818. So that must be the background colour because we have about 6 bags. Then we've got some pops of darker colours. And then we've got some whites and some browns as well. I like them. I do like them. And have I made these too big now? See, I tried to get them back in the packets so that I don't lose where they're all at, and sometimes it just doesn't work for me. So again, I'll deal with that later. And then the last one for this unboxing is again another little small one. And I'm seeing DMC numbers on this one as well. So we're on the winner with the DMC numbers for today. Let me just pull up my little spreadsheet so that I can hopefully tell you which one it is. Okay, so this one I thought was worth getting for the season. This one is a $3.99 painting. It is round drill and it is a haunted house. This one actually has 24 colours, which is pretty amazing. I know some of them do come with a lot of colours, but it doesn't look like it would have 24 colours in it, but it does. So if you do enjoy celebrating Halloween, I figured this is a nice one to have up as decor. You do get a standard toolkit, no baggies. And say we do have DMC numbers on the actual canvas, and this one was a $3.99 painting. Now we have a lot of funky colours in this one. So we have, of course, greens, blues, purples, and then we've got some more purples, greys, more purple, greens and blues. That's a big blue in. A lot more blues, some more greens, some more pops of pink and some more greens. So considering pink isn't in a lot of places, they have got, is it 3 or 4? 3 different shades of pink for in those different places. So I reckon that will give good shading to the image, which is good. I like it. And again, I can never get them in the bag the same way that they have them before. I'll fight with that later. We have got a rogue drill though, and it's definitely not from the other painting. So I'll make sure when I put that away that it's safe. The symbols look clear on all of these. So just to see if you can see it enough. If it will focus. It's probably because the light's shining off it. So the symbols are nice and clear all the way across. So yeah, that is my haul for today from Fansells. There is more coming, but we've got the swan and the deer, which I think could make a lovely set in a nursery. We've got the Halloween haunted house. We've got the purple mandala for a bit of fun. And then we have the exciting really long one. So if you like to be able to have a painting on a small desk but want to do something bigger, this is always fun because you can roll it as you go. And it looks nice on, you know, one of those walls in your house where you don't think you're going to be able to put something. This is probably where that could go. So we've got that one as well. I will pop links, of course, down below to all of them. If you have any questions, do let me know. But yeah, I'm looking forward to, well, I look forward to pretty much all the selections I get. It's always a matter of deciding which one I get to do next. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.